Welcome to the second episode of Forex Company.
Look for investment opportunities and share our trades transparently and directly. Transparency is the key to this channel.
In this episode, we will look at a company whose deal we published on the 3rd of January in our TradingView profile. Walgreens Boots Alliance has essentially collapsed. However, recent price action raises questions about how much longer this downturn will persist. The stock is currently trading near its 30-year lows. In this video, we will analyze the reasons behind Walgreens Boots Alliance's decline, explore the key factors driving its struggles, and consider what the future might hold for the company. Whether Walgreens Boots Alliance can recover or if this is the beginning of the end for this iconic brand. We have already entered this trade and saw a very good move today, which we will start to watch closely on lower time frames. You see that when the price is low, the percentage gains are really big. This movement is close to 30%. This strong movement, if it ends like this, breaks the current structure and is a good starting point for a trend reversal. Walgreens Boots Alliance is one of the largest pharmacy retail chains in the world, with a rich history spanning over a century. The company operates thousands of stores across multiple countries, offering health and wellness products, prescription services, and convenience items. Despite its struggles, Walgreens remains a notable player in the industry and continues to distribute a significant dividend to its shareholders. Currently, the dividend yield stands at approximately 10%, which is attractive to income-focused investors. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth company analyses. You see, if you had followed us on TradingView, you could have made a 30% profit right now. Want what the market wants.